What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw Santa Smurf. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw a large circle for the nose. We're going to start right in the middle at the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Now from the top of the nose, let's step up. We're going to start with a point. Let's draw on the left side of the eye. We're going to go up, we're going to draw an oval, coming around, and then in towards the side of the nose. Let's go back to the center and do the same thing on the right. Going up towards the same height, and then back in. Let's pull the pupils towards the inside in behind the nose. So on the left, we're going to draw a half oval, going around and then in. Do the same thing on the right, and we'll fill the inside of the pupils in black. Now let's move down and draw on the mouth. We're going to shift the mouth over towards the left. So right here, curve this down and in towards the middle. Go back up and add a bracket. Let's open up the mouth. We're going to come down and then up. Add a curve across the bottom for the tongue. And we'll fill the top half in black. Now let's draw the top edge of the mustache. Starting from the left side of the nose, we're going to go up and then down. Go to the right side and do the same thing. Let's go back up to the top. We're just going to bend this up and then out. And then we're going to go back up above the eyes and draw in the eyebrows. Let's add a curve just along the top. And then we're going to add some thickness. Starting from the outside, we're going to go up higher and then bring that back down towards the point. Let's connect the top of the beard with a curve going in behind the eyebrows. We'll start with the left. We're going to go up and then bend that in, curve across the center, and then bring that down on the right. Now let's round out the side of the beard. Starting back on the left, go all the way around. Now you want to bring this in towards the middle and then bend that down towards the point. Do the same thing on the right. Going all the way around, bend this in, and then down. Now I'm going to go back up to the cheeks and draw in the ears. Start with a curve going up and then back in. And then on the inside, we're going to add a small curve for the fold. Let's draw the top of the hat brim, starting on top of the ear. Go up, go higher in the middle, go across, and then bend that back in. Now we're going to flop the hat over towards the right side. So we're going to start up here on the left, going up, go across, and then bring that down towards the side. Let's add a large circle for the ball. Now on the right side, we're going to add a fold. We're going to go up and bend that in, go back to the ball, step in, just taper this in towards the side. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We're going to start underneath the head on the left side. We're going to bend this out and then down towards the hip. Go to the right side, come down towards the same height. Let's close off the bottom with a curve. Now I want to step up and draw that same curve for the top edge of the belt. Leave a gap in the center. We're going to draw two lines, one on the left, one on the right, and then we'll trace the inside of the buckle. From the buckle, we're going to step out and draw two lines going up underneath the head. Let's draw the bottom of the coat. Starting on the left hip, curve this around. Just going to pull that up in the middle underneath the buckle. Do the same thing on the right, coming down, around, and then back in. Let's move to the center, draw a curve, going up and then down. Leave a gap in the center, go to the left side. We're going to bend the leg, going out and back in towards the heel. Do the same thing on the right. Now I'm going to round out the heel. Start with the left side, coming in, go all the way around the bottom of the foot, and then up. Let's round out the toe, come in. I'm just going to bend that down on the inside. Let's draw the outside of the leg, starting underneath the coat, bend this around and then in on top of the feet. Now let's add the edge of the boot. Bring this down and up on both sides. Step up and then we'll draw that again. Now let's go back up to the top. We're gonna put the arms on the hip. Starting from the top of the body, we're gonna angle this down and out towards the inside of the elbow. Bend this in and then down towards the side. Now we're gonna draw the outside of the arm. We're gonna step up, curve this around at the elbow, and then pull that back in. Now let's wrap the hand around the arm. So we're gonna step up, curl this around, and then up in behind the hip. Now we're gonna add a thick cuff around the arm. Starting from the elbow, bend this out, then down, step down, draw that again. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And there's a cartoon illustration of Santa Smurf. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you again soon.